Kasenjuk ki samla pule ka jela Nagaland ki basa Shillong lani ka Naga Student Union Shillong haba Pynrem juri ka jingjia pinyai lengkut ya arngot ki kenthei ha Manipur ka laong ba ki dei hi ki jinglehaiñ ka thai north east bat ya ka ri India hi bro ka wei ha ka jelang sngolem se ki balaklat no na ka jingjia kan at snam ha ka jela Manipur ka union ka lapan pau ba ka jingit kli banwan ra songsuk songsngai ha Manipur ka dei hi ka sarkar jela kumju ka sarkar India uchiran simra president ulong ba ka union ka kentu ya baro klam da sngoper ben rio ban yatre ban wanra ya ka songsuk songsngai ha ka ke jela ka balamat ya ka jingi kan at sngoper jai ben rio la palat arbna siteng lo ong ba ka sarkar Manipur ka dei ban phaweng no ya ka jingkhang tan nam ta ka jingman toy ki samla.
It is really heartbreaking and sad to know the current complicated situation in Manipur. It is very sad that two of our sisters are unfortunately used as toys, parading naked, as well as many others women were being exploited brutally, sexually, physically and morally. We vehemently condemn such heinous act and stand in solidarity with the victims, their families and their loved ones. We must unite against any form of discrimination, hatred and violence. We urge the law enforcement agencies to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation to ensure that all individuals in this crime are brought to justice. NSUS appeal to all the NGOs, educational institutions, CSOs, including law enforcement agencies, to unite to create free discrimination and secure society for women. Once again, brothers and sisters, let us encourage peace. Let's pray for Manipur. The killings can happen, the fightings can happen, the weapons can kill, but we should never take advantage of the women. We should never condemn, we should never violate the rights of the women. Each and everyone has the right to live. To speak on the crimes and situations and incidents that happened in Manipur, the state governments and the central government should take proper decision. You have to decisive. It's not about party politics. It's not about party involving solving a problem, but it's about building a country. We have seen that the Prime Minister of India never commented. After 2.5 months, he comments when he sees the videos of the women molested sexually. But that is not the way how the government should function. But the thing is, what we want to comment is, no matter what, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, we living in a Indian. We encourage the government of state, government of central government to restore peace in Manipur.
Nakaliang umoran tel saka General Secretary Barim ka Union ulapan pau ka jing Pynrem yo Menteri Rangba ka jela Manipur UN biring sing kumju yo Menteri Rangba du ka India Narendra Modi ki baklam thawla thawlanti banwan ra ek songsuk songsngai hakte ka jela tang marias dang ka jing kan an.
Condemn the silence of the government, and then we put the sole responsibility, the entire responsibility to the state government and to the central government. Now, taking this opportunity, we would also like to urge all the communities involved, be it Cookies or the Malays. We would like to request them to kindly cease, because ultimately what matters is our relationship and the way forward. Now, if we don't know much, see, hundreds have lost their life, more than 50,000 are displaced. Now the economy is going down, the entire state, the educational sector is collapsing. Now, what are we actually waiting for? Now, it is greatly, greatly important for all the communities, as human beings, ultimately, as human beings, as right-thinking citizens of a country. I think it is greatly important for us to look forward, and to cease the hostilities that is taking place. Now, if we don't, why should we do this? Now, this is for our future, and this is impacting entirely. We call it the ripple effect. Now it is not only impacting our country, the state of Manipur, but however it is impacting the neighboring states and the entire country. And now in this era, it is not a good sign for the countries across the globe. Know of what's happening in the state of Manipur. So this is a humble request as a citizen of, as a Naga, and as a citizen of Manipur, and as a citizen of this country. We would request all communities engaged, involved in this ongoing ethnic conflict, or whatever conflict you may call it, to kindly cease. And last but not the least, again a very serious message to the central government and the state government of Manipur. Please do something.